you probably didn't even know this was going on down here.
Well, we did. But
Did you guys ever head south on Kingston?
anchored. I gotta keep my wife anchored.
Slow down and back.
Anyone else needs to get to their house, that's how they have to
Ride
go.
to the other side.
You have to just take a boat right now.
You do it.
I just get out.
I don't want Henderson. They're checking in town.
Mom. Should I put my window down?
No.
You have to change it in a different modes. Oh, so now they just sandbagged their house over there and remember you could see in.
Yeah.